before that you have to sign up using your Gmail account. So you have to create account here. So now I will give here Python Hello World program. So that I want to create Hello World program. Let's see what it gives us. So it is giving instructions first. Text editor you have to open. So now this is giving Python code, so that you can copy and paste. So then how to run this code, that is also given here. And yes, this is comment, and it's all the things it is giving. So as symbol is comments, detailing about comments. And this is the full program with comments and all the information. What is print function? Everything is written here. So this is good. It has created Python Hello World program. Now we will see addition of two numbers. Addition of, otherwise I will give here addition of two numbers in Python. So it is taking some time. So it is giving all information, like how to add two numbers, what operators are used. It is giving which function you have to use. So if we are using print, then we are calculating sum. So here two ways it has shown. So built-in dot sum is also there, and directly we can use plus operator. Okay, so in this way, using ChatGPT, you can create Python programs. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get updates from channel. Thank you.